Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very powerful juice that you can incorporate into your healthy lifestyle diet, something that can help you boost your exercise tolerance. This is something that you should consider taking before you exercise, and I'm going to tell you exactly why and how it works. Okay, so beetroots are high in fiber, especially when they're used in smoothies, making it great for weight loss. But apart from that, why should you use beetroot? Why should you take them before you exercise? I'm going to tell you why, okay? First of all, for this recipe, we're going to be using some celery, some cucumbers, some carrots. These are amazing. They keep you hydrated. They're high in vitamin C. They're good for your colon health, okay? Now, beets are high in antioxidants such as betaline, which have anti-inflammatory effects, and they may help you boost metabolism. Great for exercise, okay? Also, beetroots contain nitrates, which the body eventually converts to nitric oxide, and this nitric oxide improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, which may help boost physical performance and endurance. This is why it's beneficial to take before you exercise, because it gives you more stamina, okay? So eventually, the more exercise you're able to do, the more exercise you're able to endure, the more fat you would then be able to burn, and this leads to improved weight loss outcome, okay? Beets are high in magnesium, which are also good, which promotes healthy nerve and muscle function as well, okay? Now, the thing is, our muscles burn more calories than fat, so retaining or adding muscles actually will help you lose weight, okay? Remember that beets contain phytonutrients such as betaine and violaxanthine, which help to reduce inflammation and provide antioxidants to the body. This is great. Beets contain so many micro and macro nutrients that is essential. It's a great source of folate to the body. It's amazing. But I'm just gonna try and streamline it to why you should take it for stamina and increase physical endurance during your exercise routine. Beetroot has a great impact on the mitochondria, which is the part of the cell in our body that produces energy, thereby improving athletic efficiency. This is great. It's something you should try, and trust me, over time you're gonna see great results. Now, actually, a small study done in 2016 found that beets concentrates help competitive runners boost their results compared to those who took the placebo. Those who didn't take the placebo, those who took beetroots, actually reported feeling less tired than those who didn't take beetroots. Now, this is amazing, guys. Now, I know some of you are wondering, or some of you in the past, just discard the beet leaves, the grains. But I'm here to tell you that beet leaves or beet grains are a powerful source of vitamin A, and they are great for eye health, okay? It's amazing. Combined with the carrots in the juice, it's gonna be a great source of vitamin A, necessary for increased eye health function. And also beet grains also contain vitamin K, calcium, vitamin D, and this is pertinent for bone health. Amazing. It's good. Bone health is necessary for a good exercise lifestyle, good physical endurance and stamina during your exercise. Beet grains also contains vitamin B6 present, and this helps to boost your mood, improves mental health, this leaves you feeling happy after exercise. What is more than, just feeling happy, elated, and satisfied after performing your exercise? Vitamin B6 in beet greens will do this. That's exactly why we juice everything in it. Now we're done juicing, guys. We're gonna run this through a strainer. Like I said, this is not a smoothie. I'm gonna in the future make more recipes on using both beets for smoothies, but this is a juice, so I don't want any particles in it at all, so that's why I sieved it. Okay, so next I'm gonna be pouring it in my mason jars and storing them in the fridge. I'm gonna be taking 1 jar before I exercise. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned quite a lot watching this video. Please, if you have any questions concerning beetroot or something you want me to respond to, I'm gonna attend to it in the comment section below. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for staying till the end. Thank you so much. And remember, drink a cup of beetroot today. God bless you.